This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping the exact syllabus so you know what examiners expect. This saves wasted study time. Once done, build a 12-week plan that breaks topics into 4-per-week blocks with regular revision slots. Make sure to collect past papers and one reliable textbook. You will use past papers as the core training tool. You should also produce concise topic notes for quick revision. This makes recall faster during timed practice and reduces exam day panic. You now move into intensive, structured practice. Sit timed past papers under exam conditions to build speed and accuracy. Once a paper is complete, mark it against mark schemes and note pattern errors. Then schedule 30 to 60-minute drills on your weakest topics and immediately reattempt similar questions. Make sure to internalize marking phrases and answer structure. Using examiner language increases marks. Also practice short algorithm tracing and pseudocode writing until you can produce clear steps under. You enter the final phase by shifting to mixed question sets and doing a full timed paper every third day to consolidate stamina and timing. Make sure to rehearse an exam checklist so nothing is forgotten on the day and practice allocating time per section. If things go wrong, diagnose error patterns, concept gaps, careless mistakes, timing issues, and change only one study habit each week so you can measure impact. This targeted correction prevents last-minute confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.